So what we label marketing is a toolkit, which in the hands of a marketer creates value for a brand. As the sculptor creates a tangible work of art with his tools, so the marketer creates value for a brand with the marketing tools. The precise nature of this value, who benefits from this value, how does the value build over time, how is it created, these are all core issues for anyone who plans to be a successful and effective marketer. But first of all, what is this brand thing, and what's it got to do with me? I would suggest the best way to think of a brand is as a name, a label perhaps. When you go to a store or purchase something online, your first thought is generally not of a brand, but of a product. Our thought process usually starts with a need or desire to buy and use, enjoy, experience a product. Let's say I need to wash my hair. To do so, I need shampoo. That's how most of us English speakers describe a product for washing our hair. For cleaning our teeth, it's mostly a toothpaste. Shampoos are products, toothpastes are products. But what ends up on our hair, on our teeth, is almost always a brand. The shampoo we need morphs into the Pantene Head & Shoulders herbal essence we buy. The toothpaste becomes Crest, Oral-B, Colgate. An old dude wiser than I once said that we buy products, but we choose brand. Pantene is the name given to a particular shampoo. Crest is a name for a particular toothpaste. A Big Mac is a name for a particular hamburger. If you think of a brand as the name on a label and what the name signifies, what it stands for in your mind, you will have a pretty clear idea of what is a brand. When we say that the purpose of the marketer is to deploy the marketing toolkit to create and build the value of a brand, and that the brand is where the value is stored, you'll now know what we mean by a brand. The marketer of Pantene has just one clear purpose, to create and build the value of Pantene. The marketer of Crest has one clear purpose, to create and build the value of Crest. The marketer may be described in this context as manager of the brand Pantene or brand Crest. So back to our first question, what has this got to do with me? I'm not a shampoo, I'm not a toothpaste, I'm not a brand for heaven's sakes. Well, yes you are. And more of that in our next class.